Living a life of zero tolerance, DUI and your right to drive, Part 2. Providing a safe designated driver. On a night out with your pals, being the designated driver role is not one to be taken lightly. You will have to take care of the people you are with because they won't be able to make wise decisions or take care of themselves while intoxicated. If you're the designated driver, you have to 1. Do not drink. Don't consume any booze, even a sip. Learn more about your team. Before people start drinking, make sure you are aware of who you are accountable to. In case someone becomes so drunk they pass out or can't remember where they live, make sure you have addresses and emergency contacts for every passenger. Avoid being sidetracked. Inform your passengers that unsafe behavior will not be accepted in your vehicle. Recognize your limitations. Make sure you don't agree to transport more people than your vehicle can accommodate securely. Make sure no one else has access to a car and keep your keys away from your passengers. Before anyone starts drinking, come to an understanding regarding gas money, meals, and the time you want to be departing at the end of the night. The best chance for a conflict-free designated driving experience is to follow these instructions. However, be aware that things might not go as planned for your evening. Even if your friends start bickering or someone becomes sick in your car, you still have a duty to get everyone home safely. Remember to inform your servers that you will be driving when you go to restaurants, pubs, or clubs as a designated driver. Usually, servers and bartenders are careful not to serve alcoholic beverages to designated drivers. If you're fortunate, you might even receive free soft drinks. Beware of alcohol poisoning. The designated driver's duty to keep an eye out for indications of alcohol poisoning in others is also crucial. Call 911 if you observe any of the following signs. Sluggish heartbeat, uneven or sluggish breathing, unconsciousness, decreased body temperature. Roll a friend who is asleep or only partially conscious onto their side and stay by their side until help arrives. If you notice one of your pals appears to be highly inebriated or has consumed a lot of alcohol, you may start to worry during the evening. In these scenarios, you can gently suggest to your friend to cut down on drinking. Make an agreement with your pals at the beginning of the night that you would call them out if you believe they have consumed too much alcohol. People frequently react better to this if they are aware that an intervention may be forthcoming. In this manner, they are less likely to become hostile or uncooperative when you tell them to stop. Recognizing a drunk driver. You should be able to recognize the symptoms of alcohol impairment when you are out for the evening and are sharing a ride with someone else. Even if they swear they are good to drive, never get in a car with someone who appears to be under the influence of alcohol or who may be above the legal limit. If a motorist who has consumed 1 or 2 alcoholic beverages is already operating a vehicle, keep an eye out for any of the following mild to moderate alcohol impairment symptoms. Not properly seated in the driver's seat. Excessive gripping of the steering wheel. Lowering the windows when the interior of the car is comfortable. He or she is peering out the window. Loudly playing music. Not looking in the mirrors or the blind zones. Any of these symptoms could be a clue that your driver is under the influence of alcohol.